pb+j soft scoop 5-minute cheesecake. Great for one, or potentially even better to share. And I'm gonna make a little cheesecake that we often have on the menu here that's slightly related to something that they do in North America, pb+j. Now, cheesecake can get all kinds of faffy. You can bake it, you can steam it, you can wobble it, you can toast it in a tin. But I'm gonna do a very basic one. I've got some cream cheese, I've got some cream, and I've got some sugar. And the essence of this whole dish is these three things mixed up together with some bits on top. And it really is as basic as that. Now, if you want to get exotic with the base of the cheesecake, you can add extra ingredients. I'm gonna add lemon to this. It gives a nice zing and it gives a nice pop. And I love it. If you want to get expensive and exotic, you can go for vanilla. And if you want to get really expensive, you can go for fresh vanilla. Or if you only want to go half expensive, you can go for the tubbed vanilla instead. So we've got a vanilla and lemon cheesecake mix. And I'm gonna say that's almost recipe over. Now, this probably tastes delicious, but wouldn't it be nice with a bit of texture, a bit of tartness, a bit of soul, and a bit of jammy jam? So we're going to do a layer of this cheesecake mix in the bottom, do a little drizzle of the plum jam, a little drizzle of the peanut butter, and this is going to be crunched on top, extra texture. And then I'm going to do another whole layer of the same thing. So you can literally put caramel, you can put chocolate, you can even put cocoa powder in the base, which is lovely. You can make it fruity, you can make it lemony. I mean, honestly, it's almost endless. We're gonna do a few of these little plums on top, so you've got a burst of fresh fruit. Now, if you want to get super fancy, you can put little minty bits on top. And I'm gonna say that is my peanut butter, jelly, soft scoop, parlour cheesecake, UK style, North American inspired, delicious for everybody. I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Are you fine? I'm fine. Hi, how are you? I'm fine.